I think we solved it, gang!
We have to let her do it by herself, sweetheart. It's the only way she's gonna prove she's a genius.
I did it.
She did it.
Samantha, that was 5,000 pieces.
In 3D! It was actually 4 minutes and 32 seconds, but yeah.
Our teenage daughter's a genius.
We're worthless, but our seed shall be something.
This can't be. I'm dumb as rocks, Samantha. There's no way my loins produced a genius.
You know, genius is actually a recessive gene. Genetics is kind of my little specialty.
Well,
Absolutely.
that may be so, but nobody in my family is at all intelligent. They're all a bunch of morons on both sides, mom and dad. Hey son, how's it going? Hey mommy, you come back for the holidays. We're about to teach you about your history. We all come from pigs. I figured.
Yes, I've been to family Christmas, I know.
So Samantha, what are you telling me about 14 and a half years ago?
I'm telling you that with the law of probability and also with genetics, not epigenetics, because that's, you know, different, that you're...
I slept with Stephen Hawking.
Oh!
It was just the once. We can't. It was just the one time for the genius daughter.
Wait a second.
He's a man of few words, but...
Yeah. I wanted some of that robot voice when you were telling that story. Tell me some more details.
My impression is terrible.
My voice box has been fixed. Now, where were we?
I was telling you how we couldn't sleep together again.
Oh,
It's
man.
just the one time.
Dad, you know, Stephen Hawking had his own trials and tribulations. I don't think people should make fun of him as much as people should make fun of your dumb family.
Tabitha, I'm not a smart man, but I don't even know how to emotionally respond to that because...
You should cry.
Jigsaw!
Jigsaw! Jigsaw! Jigsaw! Jigsaw! Jigsaw! Oh my god! Where am I? Some sort of jigsaw death trap? Yeah!
If you want to get out of alive, you have to solve this puzzle!
Oh, I'm terrible at puzzles! Okay, let's find the corners. Is that kind of puzzle?
Solve this riddle! What is a form of music, but also found in nature?
The sounds of no!
I don't have arms. What's the next question?
Okay, a man rides into town on Friday. 3 days later, he leaves on Friday.
Wait, Thursday, Friday.
Too late! You're just a human stud!
The sausage man now. What's the next question?
Your next riddle! Who is your real father?
Oh, I never met him.
I just feel like all the pieces are coming together, you know? We're gonna solve this mystery, If it's the last thing I do. Well, we better, or we're never going to get those astronauts off Mars.
That's true. And this detective agency's reputation is staked on it.
Don't worry, I'm on it.
I know you are, little sis. But we need something more than just your enthusiasm and your patience.
Yeah.
Well, I estimate I have about 14 days left of food unless I can find a way to grow plants in Mars. What's a little girl's coming to say?
Here's the printout. We're running low on budget. That's why NASA's come to you. A couple of teenagers.
We need a
10-year-olds. How old are you?
miracle.
Oh, man. Does anybody know any astrophysics?
Wait a second. I do.
Little sis, what are you saying?
Then I took a class at the local community college.
Okay, listen, I don't know if I've gotten to you guys, but we don't have time for all this exposition. I'm just a NASA project guy. I don't know about these things, but I was told, get these kids to work on it. They're smart. Listen.
Let's do
So, trapped in outer space.
Yeah.
You go find kids.
They're smart kids, though. They're the smartest kids.
You're fired! How can I not fire you?
So those astronauts died, huh?
Yes.
Welcome to brain camp, nerds. That's actually a compliment. This is a safe place for brainiacs, geeks, and people who just appreciate higher education.
We both have 2 PhDs.
Yeah, cool. My mom went to Tufts. My dad contributes to MIT.
What do you mean by contributes?
I don't know, that's just what he told me.
That's okay, that happens a lot. I have the power. My dad is Stephen Hawking.
Cool.
You're like the holy grail of nerd children.
He's kind of a bad dad, according to his movie.
What does he sound like?
Like a computer.
Could you call him right now so we can hear his voice?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah?
Cool. Sweet phone.
Hey, Dad?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you on speakerphone, okay?
Yeah, put on speaker.
Wait, I don't want to be on speaker.
Okay, do
It's our first Christmas together. Looks beautiful. I want to make something nice. It's a pumpkin surprise. It's my aunt's recipe. Just have to let it cool a little bit.
I'm a little nervous about our first Christmas together, I'm not gonna lie.
Hey?
I'm spending all my money on rent. Because, this isn't really a place that I can afford. But I wanted to make you happy. I thought, hey, 2 people do need 4 bedrooms.
Well, now we have the Christmas room.
Yeah. That's right. I'm just nervous about not being able to pay their bills. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm not going to ruin Christmas. Pumpkin surprise. Okay, what's the surprise?
You should probably just go sell this.
Oh. How much do you think you can get for it?
I don't know. $2 a pop?
You mean $2 a...
Oh, sorry.
$2 a piece?
Still hot.
Bing
Well,
bong.
sure, there.
Oh God, it's a debt collector.
That's right, it's your landlord. Here's to collect the Christmas debt.
But I gave you the check. You didn't give him the check.
I have to pay other bills.
Hello? Hey, Stephanie.
Hi, Mr. Salson.
Sorry to drop by unannounced.
Come in. Would you like a muffin?
Oh, I would love one, thank you. What I would like better is rent on time.
I'm so sorry. I thought that Betty gave it to you, but I'll write you a check.
Give away the Christmas
Listen, because it's Christmas, I've rethought my whole attitude towards rent. I will... Hey, Betty.
Hey!
You came out of the Christmas room, I see.
You were saying something about rethinking your attitude on rent. I had to hear. There's a lot of sleigh bells in there.
I was just thinking I could let it slide this month for a little bit of pumpkin surprise.
Really?
Sure, you can sell it for $2 a bit.
Well, you have one. Do you want more?
Yes.
Okay, here, you take... Wait, you take this whole... Take this whole tray, and you give it to your family from France and Guatemala.
I will. I have all over the world.
Kids, that's the key.
This pumpkin surprise. It's a Christmas miracle.
Bonjour, my friend. Où est le trees?
You're one of my fake family members, aren't you? I can use that.
Count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Detectives, we're the best, and we're kids. Yeah. Hey,
Nailed it.
Sorry about that, Mr. Snassa guy.
No, don't be sorry. Go ahead and sing your song, yeah.
Oh, we finished.
Yeah, we're all done.
Oh, good.
We're ready to do some mystery solving.
Any other astronauts we can get off of the moon or something?
Yeah, well.
This is my magnifying glass.
If my calculations are all correct, I'll have this amount of time available on the moon until someone comes to get me.
I hope he's okay.
That was the last transmission, and then he died, and then I got fired. And...
No, we got a real pickle on
Bonkers!
Don't say bonkers. It's just the way the world works. So I just came to celebrate with you guys.
Hey, mister, are you having that adult juice?
Yeah, I've been drinking since I was 12, so...
According to my science books, that makes you an alcoholic.
Ooh, you're real judgy for a couple of kids who let a couple of astronauts perish.
Observed enough to understand that I'm a genius.
I have. If you want that Nobel Prize, though, Nobel Peace Prize.
I was hoping for a science prize, but okay. At least if I have to.
You have to make me a dinner that will blow my mind. Because you're female.
This is kind of weird. I mean, I understand you have to observe that I'm not cheating on my genius test, and I solved all the puzzles and all that, but
whatever. We hold females to a higher standard in the science world. You can be smart, but can you cook? I brought the genius bikini. Give it right here. Victoria's Secret Angel collection.
I don't even know if that's my size. It's really small.
Well, you know math. You can change the cup size.
I don't know if you've ever bought bras before. They don't make a lot of sense.
Hey, hurry up. We want to see some frontal lobes.
Can people see through this mirror?
Yep.
We have the whole Swedish committee out there.
Hello! Yeah.
Hi.
They're waiting for their dinner.
Dinner. little mistakes.
Cut away! Move the camera away from my face!
Where are you from again?
Colombia.
Okay. Not that it's gonna matter.
Oh my God!
The little girl from America who's also a genius!
Oh my God. Hi, everybody. This was really kind of a big mistake. It was very humiliating to get.
I'll say it was a big mistake, but it wasn't. Whatever happened with your mom 14 and a half years ago, I'm happy it happened. Whether you're my little daughter or not, I love you, Tabitha.
Did somebody say biological father?
Yeah. If Stephen Hawking is my dad and he's also your dad, that makes us siblings.
Stephen Hawking, you were in that wheelchair, I'd beat the shit out of you. But I'm pretty amazed you get around, sir.
Time is a constant circle.
Dad.
Yep.
I just want you to know that I love you both.
What about your sister?
My sister's pretty cool too, even though I've never met her before in my life. The cameras are still rolling.
There's a lot more of you, if I were to be honest.
Thank you. Wait, did you sleep with every woman who came by?
Daddy's gotta eat.
I am his daughter too!
Also true.
Miss Fairway?
Sir, I've been severely injured.
We're such a stupid family.
Oh no, it's a smart one.
Well, this party better get started soon.
I love family reunions. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, I think it's the missing link.
I'll be him.
Hey Bob, hey Aunt Tammy.
Hey, Charles.
Hey, family. Sorry, Janine's not coming this year. We're having some marital issues.
Oh, no.
No,
Marital
Janine.
issues? You mean marriage issues?
Exactly.
We made some pumpkin surprise if you want some.
Good stuff.
Did you?
So-
Sounds pretty good to me. Let's break open the eggnog. Hey,
Hey.
Charles looks a whole lot like my daughter.